You're living my dream, Kara. This is what I've always wanted to do. Welcome to Daily Whispers. I'm bringing you real time, tender moments, my friend. I have heard over the last couple of years with this nomadic lifestyle I've been experimenting with, I've heard from many people, oh my gosh, you're living my dream. This is what I want to do. I want to travel the country. I want to live out of the back of my car. I want to rent an RV, which we haven't done, by the way. This is my dream. And I've heard it over and over again. And so I just want to share with you raw and real today, what's going on. Like I said yesterday, I am at the end of my rope with the nomadic lifestyle. It's been, honestly, it's been about 3 years. But truly without a home, it's been a year and a half. And it was my dream. It was. I remember in 2017, it was just the turn from 2016 into 17, and I went through this little cycle. In fact, it's on the podcast. You know what? I'm going to put a link in the show notes. It would be a hoot to go back and listen. I'm going to listen. So if you want to hear Kara from 4 or 5 years ago, it's right there. But in 2017, I wrote in my journal every single day, radical change or radical transformation 2017. I was ready for change. And one of my intentions was to live for 2 to 3 months in different areas of the country or the world, I might have said at the time, pre-COVID, of course. And you know what? The dream came alive. Over time, it started to organize. The intelligence started to organize on my behalf, and here we are, without a home, living 2 to 3 months in different areas. So this stuff really works. When you set something and you start to allow it to manifest, it does work. But I will tell you, so many people have said to me, this is my dream. And so I'll say to them, good, go write it down. Keep it in your pocket if it's something that you want to do. And I'll tell you what, my friend, you don't have to give up your home to go and travel and live in different areas, especially now with Airbnbs and the ability to rent your home so easily. You can keep your sense of home somewhere and do this. So I am happy to chat with you and engage with you if this is something you really want to do, to give you a little insight as to how we got ourselves out of our house filled with stuff and onto the road. But if it's not your dream, that's okay too. I do, however, encourage you to know what it is that you'd like to do out there. We have new dreams, and I will share them with you about where we're headed and what we feel is starting to manifest for us. It's still too early to share, but I am holding that in my pocket, and I'm starting to write that down in my journal. We need to dream, my friend. We need to have big dreams. This was a big dream of mine, to be on the road for a couple of months a year, to explore and experience different cultures, even within the U.S., to experience different cultures, people, different vistas, different grocery stores, different ways of doing things, temperature and lifestyle. It definitely has kept me awake. It makes me feel alive. And I'm ready to transition into a new dream, into a new exploration and experiment. How about you? Today, that's it. I just want to encourage you to pause. What are my dreams? What do I want to do with this one wild and precious life, says Mary Oliver. If you haven't sat down to really allow your imagination to run freely, oh man, I encourage you to do it. I had a conversation with one of my cousins. She may even be listening. You know who you are. And we had a call the other day, and she said, I want to go to Italy. It's been my dream my whole life. I'm not sure when it's going to happen. So I said, no problem. Let's start dreaming. Let's start thinking about where you'd want to go. What places are calling to you? Start to allow your imagination to run freely. I'm telling you, in 2017, honestly, I had no idea that it would actually happen in this way, for sure. And here I am. What is your dream? If you want to make it public, let me know. Tell me, email me, reach out to me. Share it with a friend. Share this with a friend, with your partner. Let's go out there. Let's start dreaming, my friend, because we have no idea what's around the corner. We just don't know. I'm excited. I'm excited for you. I'm excited to see where this goes. I look forward to hearing from you. Go out there. Go shine. Go dream. Dream bigger than you could ever imagine.